guys, it's Brianna, and today I'm going to be filming yet another video for you all. This is going to be the start of my hair journey. I chopped off all of my hair, so this is what it looks like now. In my previous video, I know it was a huge change. You saw me signing papers with long hair and going car shopping with longer hair, and then in the next clip it was all gone. So I'm here to explain that. By the way, I'm filming outside right now. I'm actually on my balcony because it's really nice lighting out, but it is like 90 degrees out here, so if I start to sweat, then you know why. This is the start of my hair journey. I'm wanting to go completely natural. I have bleached my hair, I've dyed my hair, and I'm just ready to start fresh. So if you guys want to come on this journey with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100K by the end of the year, so let's do that. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see this series, and then comment down below any other video ideas you may have for me. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is why I cut it. Obviously because I want to start my growth journey and to start my natural hair journey, but I cut it at this point because I believe that hair harvests energy almost, and I just needed to cut a lot of energy out of my life and kind of just start fresh. Plus I just wanted to change. It's always good to switch it up and to kind of view yourself from a different standpoint. And I've never seen myself with hair this short. I did cut my hair before. I'll actually put a little iCard to the video up here where I actually cut it the first time, and then that was about 2 years ago, so it's grown out since then. But this is probably the shortest that I've ever had it. I definitely wanted volume as well, which is why I chose this style of haircut. And I do have very thin hair. Even though it doesn't look like it, I have very, very thin strands of hair. So it's really, really hard to get volume, especially when I put product in it, because the product just weighs down my hair and then my roots are flat. So it's more of like a layered, it has a lot of layers in it. And the layers start kind of right here, and then it goes all the way down to the nape of my neck. And I am going to be taking measurements at the end of the video so I can track my progress and track my growth. What? No. I'm filming, babe. And your pants are falling off. So now I'm going to go over a few of the products that are my favorites right now, especially for styling my new hair. Okay, so first off, for the products that I like to use, I'm going to start out with products in the shower, which include my shampoo and conditioner. So I use the same shampoo and conditioner for my hair, so this is what they look like. I use it's the Renpure Originals Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner and Shampoo. So I really love these, especially because I have thinner hair, so this helps to hydrate, thicken, and moisturize my hair without damaging it, breaking it off, and drying it out, because that's what we don't want. Kind of use So for my deep conditioners, I do go in and out of these two, which are my favorite ones right now. So I use the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil, the Rehydration Treatment Mask, and I'll just pop this on in the shower after shampooing for about 5 to 10 minutes while I rinse off and everything, and then I'll wash it out at the very end. Same thing with this one. This one is the GRO Mega Thick Intense Repair Rebuilding Treatment. So this one is great, especially for growth. If you're looking for to thicken your hair and intensely repair and moisturize, this stuff is amazing. It also leaves your hair super soft after. Once I am done with those products, then I go into my styling products. So I use the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls, which is one of my favorite. This is actually my second bottle of this, which means I repurchased, which means it's good. Definitely doesn't weigh down my hair, which I've had a problem with in a lot of styling creams, because I do like to put a lot of product into my hair, but in very controlled amounts, just because I like the combination of a few different products together. So with that one, it's really lightweight and it doesn't weigh down my hair, and it does hydrate, and it really helps to define my curls. Next, I love the Deva Curl Supercream, the coconut curl styler. I also love that for putting into the hair first or after my multicultural curls, just to put some sort of cream in the hair to kind of interlock the curls together. I feel like it gives me more definition that way. Then I will always go in with my Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. I do like putting gel in my hair, I just don't like the crunchiness of it. So if you have a problem with that, this is your go-to product, because you're not going to experience any crunch. You don't have to worry about your hair feeling like
nasty,
and just gross. So I would get on this because this stuff is the bomb. Another product I absolutely love that I'm actually almost out of is my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. This is amazing for those day 3, day 4 hair days where you wake up and your curls are kind of crispy and they're not as bouncy, defined, they're kind of frizzy. So this is what you're going to use to be able to define the curls again, and is a great go-to for wash days and whatnot. The last thing that I want to talk about for my styling products is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. This stuff, okay, let me tell you, my friend Tiana, she's the one who put me on, so Tiana, if you're watching this, thank you. And I absolutely love this product, especially along with the Shea Moisture Mousse. In the mornings, you just pop a little bit of the mousse in your hand, scrunch it into your hair to kind of dampen it, and then use a little bit of this and scrunch it, and I feel like this helps to define the curls even more. So now moving on to growth treatments, I do have 2 that I actually really like using. I just recently had box braids. I'll insert a picture just in case you guys didn't see. You should go follow my Instagram because that's where I post a lot of my pictures, so you're able to see. But I just recently had box braids, which is a great protective style for helping your hair grow. And in between, I would combine these 2 together in a bowl and use this and have my boyfriend Brad go through and just grease my entire scalp everywhere while I had the box braids, and that helped my hair grow a lot. This is the GRO Hair Vitalizer Mega Thick Paraben Free formula, and this is what it looks like. It's a very thick formula, almost like a pomade. So is the Sulfur 8 one, but the Sulfur 8 is actually great for dandruff too. Those 2 together, and I noticed a really big difference with the reduction in my dandruff, because I do have really bad dandruff sometimes, so that definitely helped with that. But also my new growth was there, so I knew that it was working as far as growth. So I'm giving myself some homework for the next time I do a hair update. So the next time I'm back in about a month or so, I'm going to be talking about these 2 products here. I actually just picked these up today. I got the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So I'm going to be trying this out because I heard this is great for volume, and I want to know how it's going to work with my curly hair and with giving me the volume that I want, because I want this to be like big. So I'm trying to find something to achieve that. So I'll let you know how this works. And I went to, where did I get this from? World Market. I went to World Market and I picked up the Provence Beauty Damage Repair Hair Oil. So it's made with natural ingredients, and it says it's supposed to deliver essential fatty acids and vital nutrients necessary to repair and rejuvenate damaged hair at the deepest level. It is natural and vegan, so that caught my attention as well. I will report back to you guys on that and let you know how those are working for me. So the last part of this video is going to be me measuring, because I definitely want to know how long my hair is, and in about a year or so, when my hair journey is complete and I do my next big chop, then I'm going to see how long it is. And I'm just going to take the very front of my hair. All right, so this is the front of my hair. I'm going to put it right at the base of the hair. So the front is 8.5 inches. Next measurement is going to be from crown down. That is 9 inches. So my third measurement is going to be from the nape of my neck down. And I'm gonna take this. My hair feels like it stops about right here. 7 inches. So I've got my measurements written down, so I'll report back next month just to take some new measurements. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat. Those will be in the description down below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!